epilepsi ar Carian o Aberdâr. Bu'n rhaid iddi fynd i'r ysbyty sawl gwaith oherwydd y ffitiau, ac un tro rhoddwyd hi mewn coma am rai misoedd. Despite losing her confidence, the teenager has blossomed by working with training provider People Plus. She completed traineeship engagement modules before progressing to a traineeship level 1. Mae Carian yn edrych ymlaen at leoliadau gwaith rheolaidd mewn ysgol gynradd, ac yn gobeithio cael gyrfa lawn amser ym myd gofal plant. Ar ôl cael trafferthion yn yr ysgol a'r coleg, cafodd Matthew 18 oed o fwcle ei gyfeirio gan Coleg Cambria at raglen Academi Adeiladu o 16 wythnos fel rhan o raglen hyfforddeiaeth ymgysylltu. Yno bu mewn gweithiau adeiladu, prosiectau cymunedol a lleoliadau gwaith. He took part in 2 community-based projects where he helped renovate Rhuthun Football Club and Shotton Adult Daycare Centre. Matthew has now completed a Site Safety Plus Level 1 and Green Labourer CSCS card, and a local building contractor has offered him an apprenticeship. Mae diddordeb mewn trin gwallt wedi arwain at swydd i Molly Jones, 17 oed, yn yr Hello Gorgeous Hair Salon ym Mhenarth, ac mae'n gobeithio bydd hynny'n datblygu i brentisiaeth sylfaen. The job is a significant step forward in Molly's life, having previously suffered from chronic fatigue syndrome and anxiety, which saw her leave mainstream education in Year 8. She joined the Prince's Trust Team programme through People Business Wales and progressed to a traineeship engagement, achieving Level 2 Essential Skills qualifications.